getting right into it. Seated alternating dumbbell curls. Ensure that you turn that pinky up towards the top to get a good contraction on the inner portion of your bicep. Alright, we're curling for about 10 to 12 repetitions, and now we're going to superset that with standing hammer curls. You can alternate those if you like, and just not a certain amount of reps, just go until you can't go anymore, until you feel the burn. And then we're going to go right from here and continue to move on to our tricep exercise, which would be the dip machine, this hammer dip machine. You're supposed to turn around and face the other way, but I found it hurts my shoulders when I do it that way, so I turn and face the other backwards actually, and press down with less pain in my front delt area. And here again, you press this down for about 10 to 12 repetitions, and that'll complete the first set. Seated alternated dumbbell curls, hammer curls, and followed up with the tricep exercise. This is my son Alex. He decided to start his journey. I'm super excited. This is our first time working out. He's in his junior year at college, so I'm really excited about having my man on board and starting his journey with Dad.
Yep. So we'll add quarters on the next time. There you go.
All right. Moving right into the next exercise. Standing, easy curl bar. We're going to curl this up about 10 to 12 repetitions and then superset it with our tricep exercise, which will be rope extensions. I like to stay busy when I'm in the gym, so if you invite me to come and work out with you, you're just going to do one exercise and we're going to stand around. Don't be shocked when you look up and find me doing something else in conjunction with whatever you're doing, whatever it is that you're doing. I don't like to be bored. Stay busy. So we're right into tricep extensions. On that rope, make sure you pull it apart at the bottom, get a good squeeze, a good contraction on those triceps. We'll do 10 to 12 repetitions of those. And as I said, I like to stay busy, push the limits, push yourself. I like to get a good sweat. I'm trying to get the rest of this weight off. And then right in overhead extensions, make sure keep those elbows tight as possible and pulling them apart at the bottom. And that'll complete one set. You'll run that for 3 to 4 sets.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you're good. Good. There you go. Give me 2 more. Last one. Good. All right. Extensions. Probably want to check that. Put it on about 30, 35.